Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about the future of education and how technology-driven learning is set to transform the way we learn. Technology has already had a profound impact on education, with online learning platforms and digital tools making education more accessible and convenient than ever before. However, the future of education is even more exciting, with emerging technologies set to revolutionize the way we learn. One of the most promising technologies is artificial intelligence, AI. AI has the potential to personalize learning by analyzing data on student performance and adapting the learning experience to each student's individual needs. This can help students learn more efficiently and effectively, and can reduce the need for traditional classroom settings. Another technology that is set to transform education is virtual reality, VR. VR can provide immersive learning experiences that allow students to explore complex concepts in a hands-on and engaging way. For example, students can explore ancient ruins or simulate scientific experiments in a virtual environment, making learning more interactive and fun. Augmented reality, AR, is another technology that is set to transform education. AR can be used to overlay digital information onto the physical world, allowing students to learn in real-world contexts. For example, students can use AR to explore the human body or to visualize complex mathematical concepts in a more tangible way. However, there are still challenges to be overcome in the field of technology-driven learning. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring that technology is used in an effective and ethical way. It is important to ensure that technology is not used to replace teachers or to reduce the quality of education. Another challenge is ensuring that technology-driven learning is accessible to all students, regardless of their socioeconomic status or geographic location. It is important to ensure that technology is used to enhance and improve education, not to exacerbate existing inequalities. In conclusion, technology-driven learning is set to transform the way we learn, providing personalized and immersive learning experiences that are more engaging and effective than traditional classroom settings. With continued advancements in technology and research, the future of education is exciting and full of potential. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more education news and insights.